Hey guys, we're continuing with our Regents review session. We're going to answer question number 9. On the grid in your answer booklet, construct a profile along line AB. So here's my answer booklet from the previous video where I drew isolines, and line AB is from here to here. So it wants me to draw a profile along line AB by plotting the lake depth of each isoline that crosses line AB. Connect all plots with the line to complete the profile. So remember, all our isolines are showing the depth of the lake, and for this part of the question, I'm gonna need scrap paper. So I'll be using an index card. And the first thing I need to do is figure out the elevations of every isoline that is crossing line AB, or lake depth of each line. So it looks like A is 0. It says 0 right here. And I do not have a contour interval, but I do have all the elevations written, depths written out. So this line must be 100. This line must be 200. I think I'm missing the line. This line must be, oh, I made a mistake. Let me fix that. This line is 100. And this line must be 200. This line must be 300. This line must be 400. So now I have all the elevations of every line that is crossing through line A and B. Now I have to put that down on my scrap paper right here. I'm gonna mark lines A and B. Here's A, here's B, and all the lines that are crossing between this line, and this line. So these are all the lines that are crossing through A and B, in between A and B. And I'm also gonna write the elevation. So A is 0, this is 100, this is 200, this is 300, and B is 400. Now that I have this, I'm just gonna transfer my thing over here. So I actually should have done it from the, so I'll do it this way since I wrote the numbers down on this side upwards. So now A, and also by the way, depending on how you write your numbers, you can start from the bottom as well, align it to the bottom. So A is 0, so I'm going to draw a dot at 0, oh, right here, here's 0. This line is 100, this line is 200, this line, let me align it properly, this line is 300, and this line is 400. Now that I've plotted all my dots, I have to just connect them, and there you go. This is your topographic profile. If you ever have two of the same elevation side by side, that's when you either curve up or down. You curve up when you have a mountain or you're on the sides of a river, because on the river, the location of a river is lower than the sides of the river banks. You're gonna curve downwards when you're plotting somewhere on a river or in between a river. Also, if you're in between two hills, your land should be lower there. And that's it for this one.